One thing I would like to stress to you, however, you see the start a new chat button, right? Wherever that lives on your interface, use that anytime you need to change topic. Change topic. So perhaps you've been talking to people before and we're talking about a particular topic. Maybe it's even a very deep topic. And then all of a sudden they go, hey, by the way, and then they throw in something else. Your brain was already working in a particular direction. And now they threw, I like to call them squirrels. They like to throw a squirrel in the mix, right? And so now you got this squirrel running around in your conversation. It's like, oh, where'd that come from? And in the meantime, you've already had your mindset or a context around your previous conversation. So now you're trying to figure out, where does this squirrel fit into this context? Copilot does the same thing, right? It builds a context. And so anything that you're going to talk about, make sure it stays in that particular context. Okay, if you do need to change conversation topic or something like that, start a new chat. Copilot will never, and your AI tools in general, do not tell you, I don't know. Instead, they'll try to give you a response back based on the context of the current conversation. Okay, so anytime you need to change topic, then make sure you hit a new start or a new chat.